Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. It's from 16.1, number 5. Your main problem is this formula was given, and on your picture, instead of 100 here, somehow you changed this to 800, times 800, which the time goes here, but you also changed, you made this 800 and this an 800 when this should have remained as it was given in the formula as 100. First time they asked you to let t equal be 0, and so you put in 0 for time. 0 times anything will be 0. Any base raised to 0 power is going to be 1. That's the definition of, and then 1 times 100 is 100. But b to 0 power equals 1. Anything to 0 power is 1, well, except 0 itself. So this answer is 100. The other part, what you had on your picture, you had 800 here, and it was given as 100. 800 goes here, just in one place. So you multiplied. You worked this part out correctly with your calculator. Then you need to multiply by 100 instead of 800. Hope this helps.